What is up, guys? Juan here. I haven't posted a video in a minute now, so today's just going to be a little update on the Z. I'm going to be installing DNA motoring coilovers on the car, a little eBay special, and then I'm going to go through, bolt check the whole car, get the ride height and dampening how I want it to, maybe take it out for a test drive, and then go from there. I am having a idler pulley issue. My idler pulley seized, so that kind of sucks. So the car's squealing a lot right now, so you may hear that later in the video. I'm waiting on some parts at the mail, so that'll be addressed on another day. But yeah, let me just show you what we're getting into. The Z's jacked up right now with how the leaves are. It kind of looks like it's freaking slammed, but you'll see. Let's get started. All right, so I just start by loosening up all these bolts. Damn it, this one's still in. So I'll pop this guy out. Pop that, get access to the struts, and go from there. How you guys enjoying this fall weather? I'm not excited to clean any of these leaves up, I can tell you that. Get access to these boys. Last time me and my buddy Cal put these on, we we Loctited the hell out of these, so it may be a pain in the ass to get off. We'll find out.
You might be giving yourself credit for. If you have something that's going on in your life right now that's challenging, painful, it's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself. You're worth it. You can have this feeling anytime you choose.
Moments later.
All right, Mike, what are we doing?
Right now, heading to True Value to get some bolts to install the coilovers. They're a little bit wider on the fork, so we need wider and longer bolts so we can get the nut on the end. So we're heading to True Value.
So, I recently got this the other day from my uncle. Mike got a, what bike did you get?
LEM 50cc LX2 Super.
Super, I got my phone. So Mike got this, and we've been talking about getting little pit bikes for a while now. So when he got this, I knew my uncle had one of these little bikes, so I grabbed that. And yeah, we thought he took, well, you know, my uncle had thought the motor was locked up, but we just got it running really no problem with some brake clean. So yeah, we got introducing the two new little bikes onto the channel, and we're gonna have a lot of fun with these things. So as of right now, the throttle is all gummed up, so we gotta fix that. Find a cap for here. Yeah, we got it going. All right, so a little beer break. We got this side all in. We did jack it up. We're most likely gonna have to adjust the toe. It's kind of coming out. Yeah, this thing's gonna be sitting low. We're gonna start this side over here, and that's basically it.
A reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself. You're worth it. You can have this feeling anytime you choose.
These wheels back from powder coating, they're looking nice and fresh. So this changes everything. Mike said it had a pretty good ride height. Doesn't look like it's gonna rub at all. These are the tires I run, the 225 45 17. Doesn't look like we're gonna have any issue at all. And it's funny because it's kind of matching the springs up front. You see that? It's honestly looking like it's looking really good. Dude, it's like so much different.
That's how the car is supposed to look.
Yeah. And then these bad boys are gonna be going up front with the nice Michelins. I never have good tires. I'm always running the Linglongs.
Hell yeah, grippy boys.
Yes, sir. So let's
Mesh,
get
the
it.
white mesh.
Hell yeah. So DNA Motoring, sponsor the Z. We're out here installing your coils. And so far it hasn't been too bad, except that the rear bolts that hold the strut in, they're too short. So we had to go out and get longer bolts. They include spacers in the kit, but they didn't mention anywhere. I found the online listing for it. They didn't mention anywhere that you needed a longer bolt. So if you're watching this for the DNA Motoring install, just know the rear is going to need a longer bolt. Not sure if I should put this on or keep this. Kind of think I'm gonna run this. Not like it really matters, but little facelift. It's not a drift car without a zip tie. Gotta come down. Alright, so we're gonna be dropping it again. We further lowered it about what, an inch or 2 inches?
About 2 inches, yeah.
Yep, so it's a pain in the ass. Shout out to Mike. And we're gonna drop it and see how it looks. Probably gonna need to add more camber, but we will do that another day. So without further ado, let's drop this baby. Hell yeah. Probably gonna have to bring that tire size down a little bit.
Need to be a little bit. We'll see.
We'll see.
Dude, I don't think that's dude. That is not rubbing, bro.
I know, but what about, all right, let's turn the wheel side to side and see what we're doing. We are currently on a 225 40 18 tire on 18 by 9.5 wheels. So we're gonna turn it side to side and see what happens.
Worst case scenario, add camber and you're fine.
Exactly. Yeah. So I'm -3 right now, so I might have to up it to probably like -5. Yep. So just got to get an alignment. We just lowered it, so I was gonna get one done anyway. So all right. Hatch down. Not too shabby.
Sick.
Yeah, the front looks meaty.
That looks neat.
Yeah, the front looks meaty. Nice. Thank you, Mike.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, that shit's looking tough. Alright, so we're gonna turn the wheel side to side. This fender liner's probably gonna have to come out. Yo, we are not rubbing at all. Not bad. Yo, we're not rubbing at all. There's like full.
Pretty perfect.
Yeah, like there's full clearance. I mean, it's close, you know, but I'll probably still add some camber. And then that'll bring the front down a little as well. But, yeah, not too bad. It's looking tough. Rear end came down a lot. I'm gonna add some side skirts eventually. And let me show you her good side. Yeah, she's looking proper now. All right, guys, if you're still watching, I appreciate all of you. Let me know what you guys want to see with the Z. Shout out to Mike. I'm gonna drop our new team page down in the description. We're gonna be doing a drift jockey team page right out of here in New England, basically northeastern.
Yeah, pretty much wherever it takes us.
Yeah, so we're
for starters.
Yep, so we are gonna start posting more content, team content, getting the cars right, and anything you guys want to see, drop suggestions below. And until next time, peace out. Thanks for watching.